Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a bit different. It's going to be very short, spicy, and to the point. I guess because I'm pregnant with my first child, I find that these stories especially are very attractive to me, or I find them interesting. So it says, there will be no shortage of hand-me-downs for this Michigan kid. The Grand Rapids press reports that the Kataria and the J. Scandawant welcomed the birth of their 14th son on Wednesday, 5 days before he was due. They have no daughters. Wood TV reports that the boy weighs 8 pounds 4 ounces and about 3.7 kilograms and is 21 inches long, or 53 centimeters long. His name was immediately announced. As with their last few children, the couple from Rockford, north of Grand Rapids, didn't want to know the baby's sex ahead of time. Jay Scatwand said earlier this year he would love to have a girl, but didn't think would be in the cards. He was right. Kataria Scanwan has said she's used to large families as one of 14 children herself. The couple's oldest son is in his 20s. The mother of these 14 children comes from a 14 family member, and she has 14 kids. So imagine 14 and 14, that's 28 if you're doing a family reunion, like not including mother, father, and grandparents and cousins and all these things. But pregnancy is a very difficult at times. It's very like draining at times. It's a beautiful thing also. It's an amazing thing also, but to go through it 14 different times, I don't know if I could handle all of that. Off about the third time, I would call it quits. Okay, she went 14 times to get a girl. I guess they went the 14 times because they wanted a girl, but honestly, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about having large families. Do you think it's something in the cards for you? Do you think that large families are good? Do you think that you would want to have a large family? And would you date somebody that has 13 or 14 kids? It's appropriate to have that many kids. My grandmother personally had 10, 2 died, and she was one of the best moms I knew. So to each their own. I can't judge, I can't say anything negative. But for her to go through pregnancy 14 times, she deserved a superhero card. Go through childbirth 14 times. Yeah, she got that one. I wouldn't be doing it. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.